everybody, welcome back to the channel. If you're new, thanks so much for coming by. We are unboxing today's Allure beauty box. I can't believe it is June already. I was thinking, you know, this is, I think, the last of the beauty boxes that I'm expecting, although I might not post them in order. And that's the end of June. And we're moving into July. And I was just thinking, where is this year going? It is going so fast. The Allure Beauty Box is a $15 a month subscription. It can come with makeup, skincare, hair care, full size, deluxe sample size, all kinds of things. One month we got Sunday Riley, another month, meh. But let's get in here and see what this month looks like. Open the box, it looks like this. Oh, we have a bright green bag this month and a couple of papers on top. Let's see what they say. The first is $20 off at Bobble Bar. There is the code if you would like that. And the other is the pamphlet that will tell us about all of the goodies that we have in this bag. So let's get in here and see what we do have. We have a nice bright green bag this month. It does not look like it's a ripped one. Since they have gone to the tuck kind, I haven't received a ripped one, I don't think. When they had the 2 dots, I think I only received one that wasn't ripped. So this is clearly working better for them. Okay, so not in the bag, I see in the box, I have an SGX NYC. Let me get my glasses out. It is the Do-It-All 3-in-1 Dry Texture Spray. Volume, refresh, and hold. Dry shampoo meets hairspray. Well, that's kind of interesting. My hair's... well, we'll get that later. I mean, it shot off there like a rocket. Okay. I mean, yeah, it smells like you would expect a dry shampoo hairspray situation to smell. I mean, our hair is fresh, but does it look fresher now? It does kind of look hairspray. You know, I will do anything that will put just a little bit of body into my hair. I have no lid to put back on this. We'll get that later. Let's pretend that didn't happen. Okay, let's see what the book says about this. There is nothing in the book that says anything about this except for the very back, which just looks like an advertisement that just says everything I just said, dry shampoo meets hairspray. And it says that the regular size is 6.5 ounces and we received a 1 ounce. So it doesn't give us any pricing on that. Let's get in and see what's in the bag now. I kind of like this lime green bag. I'm gonna have to find something to do with it. I have dropped something else. I am dropping stuff like crazy. I'm back from my trip to the floor. So the first thing I have is the Brow Gal medium brown pencil, eyebrow pencil. That's kind of fun looking. This end appears to be a sharpener. So you have your pencil, which has a nice sharp tip now, but then you'll have this sharpener. Let's see if it, so I guess when you put it up in here, you can just, yeah, look, you can just twist it and it starts sharpening automatically. Well, that's pretty cool. Of course, then you have to deal nicely with the mess. Well, this color, let's see what it looks like. This is more firm than mine. It's a little, although it gives good coverage. I think that's probably a good color for me. And I'm always shocked that they consider it medium brown hair because I consider it dark brown hair, but I think that'll probably go with my eyebrows because my eyebrows are pretty dark. We'll see how that does. That's kind of fun. Oh, and the other side is a spoolie. Well, that's very nice. So that's clearly a full size. Let's see what the book says about it though. The Brow Gal eyebrow pencil. A lot of brow pencils are so creamy they can look fake. Well, that's what I was saying. This one's kind of firm. Not this one. It has a perfect waxy consistency for creating believable fullness that's not too heavy or too uniform. Okay, well, I will for sure give it a try. And they say that it has a $23 value. And if you go to their website and type in Allure 19, you will get 10% off your entire order through August 31st, FYI. Okay, what have we got next? I have a Moroccan treatment oil. I received one of these in another box that I have, and I am not sure which box it was. It's this exact same size, which is 0.34 fluid ounces. And as I recall, it was already open, yes. It smells nice, kind of just like you would expect an oil to smell. And this is a hair oil. I actually haven't used my other one yet. I was kind of saving it for winter to come, but now that I have two, maybe I'll go ahead and give it a shot. It's just kind of nutty and clean. It smells really nice. Let's see what they say about it. All of these descriptions are written from the perspective of a person that has tried it. So it says, her processed hair drinks up the silicone-based oil. Even if she accidentally puts on too much, the effect is never greasy. Well, that'll be interesting. She uses it when her hair is damp and uses a quarter-size blob from her roots to the ends to tame flyaways and frizz. A full size is $44, but they don't tell us what that is, and I'm sure it is not this little 3.34 ounce that we got. So that's pretty cool. I'm anxious to start trying some of these. I need a haircut is what I need, but until I do that, I need some oil to pull through my ends to start protecting them. Okay, next we have there's probably a really beautiful French way to say this, but Eau Thermale Avene. What do you think? All right, let's get it out of this nice packaging. It is thermal water. I have seen some people think that this is a little silly to receive, and I agree, for a lot of people it is. But coming from the perspective of somebody who takes her own personal heat wherever she goes at this time of my life, oh yeah, I am often looking for a nice little cool down, and I will carry this in my purse and pop it out and give myself a spritz and be ever so happy to have it. So that works for me. That said, I am a mist junkie. I am enjoying that. Mists are enjoying a heyday right now. It seems like we get some kind of before makeup or setting spray or mist in all of our boxes now, and I'm loving it. Let's see what the book says about it. The Eau Thermale Avene Spring Water is a hydrating face mist. Why do I say that? I did that in my last video. Face mist. That is great to take everywhere for soothing, hot, irritated skin. And you guys know I tend to have irritated skin. The water is naturally rich in minerals to help nourish sensitive skin, and since it's truly only water, it's fragrance-free. It says that a full size is $18.50, but it does not tell us what the full size is, and I'm certain that it is not this 1.6 fluid ounces. If you enter Allure 20 at their checkout, you'll get 20% off through August 31st. Okay, let's see what's next. Oh, I have floss. I would think this is floss, except for I have seen other people's unboxings, and it says Yule on the end, so we've all kind of decided that's probably the color, although it doesn't seem to have a color. It's just a clear gloss. It looks purple in this container, but how cute is this? I love the packaging on this, but it's just a clear lip gloss, it looks like. I have a lot of lip gloss on. I don't know if this will make any difference. It did make it a little shinier. Not at all sticky or tacky. I don't taste anything. It just smells kind of sweet. Not as sweet as some of the icing-y ones that we've been getting, but very nice. Let's see what the book says. Floss, my new favorite lip gloss. Oh, and that is what the box says too. My new favorite lip gloss. It says that full size, which I'm sure this is $16. And I have been hoarding lip gloss like it's $19.99, is what this girl says. And Floss is my new favorite lip gloss, has lived up to its name. The formula is thin, so it feels lightweight and comfortable on the lips. The doe foot applicator spreads the gloss easily without creating a sticky mess. And the tube is squeezable, so you can use every single drop. So that's kind of fun to have just a regular lip gloss that you can use several times a day without worrying about color. Love it. All right, last but not least, I have the Context Vitamin C All Day Eye Cream. I sometimes have a problem with vitamin C, but it's mostly here in my cheeks, so I would probably give this a try, even though it's an eye cream. Let's see what they say. The Context Vitamin C All Day Eye Cream is slightly cooling and never irritating. I love using it for midday touch-ups. I just squeeze out a drop and pat it over my concealer. A few soft taps, even in the late day craziness, wipes away mascara smudges and generally makes my eyes look happy and hydrated again. Well, that's all very cool. Ignore the name because it's not a cream, it's a gel and it dries quickly, but not tightly. And she notices depuffing and subtle brightening. Well, that is awesome. This is 0.5 fluid ounces, which is the full size, and it has a $35 value. That's amazing. And if you enter Allure 25 at checkout, you'll get 25% off your entire order through August 1st. Well, that was a pretty good box. I like these products. For a $15 beauty box, I think it's great. We got a $35 eye cream that we can use for touch-ups. We have this nice, oh, spray your face because you're nice and warm. We have some Moroccan oil to try for the hair, and then the dry shampoo and the hairspray for the hair with the lid, and the brow pencil with the sharpener and spoolie both attached. That's pretty cool. And this floss lip gloss, which is so cute. I think it's a pretty awesome box. Let me know what you think below. Thank you so much for coming by, and please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you'll know when I put up another video, and I will see you all really soon. Bye, guys.